Cockroaches, often thought of as pests, are actually fascinating creatures with numerous remarkable characteristics that make them unique in the animal kingdom. Here are some of the most fantastic aspects of cockroaches, from their survival skills to their evolutionary adaptations. Survival skills. Extreme resilience. Cockroaches are some of the toughest animals on Earth. They can survive without food for a month and go without water for up to a week. This ability to survive without regular food intake allows them to live in a variety of environments, from kitchens to sewers, and even in places where other animals might struggle. Radiation resistance cockroaches are famously known for their resistance to radiation. They can survive doses of radiation that would kill a human. While they wouldn't be completely immune to a nuclear explosion, they could endure levels of radiation far higher than most other animals due to their efficient DNA repair mechanisms and the structure of their cells. Adaptability, environmental tolerance. Cockroaches thrive in a variety of environments, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts. Their bodies have evolved to withstand extreme temperatures and humidity fluctuations. They can also tolerate low oxygen conditions, which makes them capable of surviving in places that might be inhospitable to other creatures. Evolutionary longevity cockroaches have been around for about 350 million years, making them one of the most ancient groups of insects. Their long survival has allowed them to evolve into many different species, adapting to a wide range of ecological niches. Physical abilities. Incredible speed and agility. Cockroaches are fast runners, able to move up to 3 miles per hour. This is a significant feat for an insect, and their ability to scuttle quickly across surfaces helps them evade predators. Their legs are strong and flexible, allowing them to climb walls, run upside down, and even leap short distances if needed. Flexibility and durability. The cockroach's exoskeleton is made of a tough material called chitin, which gives it great strength and protection. Unlike other insects that have more rigid exoskeletons, a cockroach's exoskeleton allows for flexibility, making it capable of squeezing through tight spaces, even gaps as small as 3 millimeters. Sensory capabilities. Cockroaches have long, sensitive antennae that help them navigate their environment by detecting chemicals, temperature changes, and humidity. These antennae are so finely tuned that they can pick up subtle changes in the environment, helping the cockroach avoid danger and find food. Their antennae and mouth parts can sense a variety of chemical cues, making them highly adept at locating food sources. Some species of cockroaches are even attracted to specific scents, which they use to track down food, mates, or safe hiding places. Reproductive efficiency. Cockroaches are prolific breeders. They can reproduce quickly, with some species capable of laying egg cases, also known as oothecae, that contain multiple eggs, sometimes up to 40 at once. These egg cases are often deposited in hidden, sheltered places, making it difficult to eradicate them completely from an environment once they establish a presence. Cockroaches have diverse mating rituals, with some species displaying complex courtship behaviors. In certain species, males present females with food as part of their mating display, ensuring that the female is well fed before producing eggs. Social structure and communication. While many cockroach species are solitary, some exhibit interesting social behaviors. For instance, the German cockroach, known scientifically as Blatella germanica, lives in colonies and communicates with others through chemical signals called pheromones. These pheromones can indicate the presence of food, warn of danger, or attract mates. In some studies, cockroaches have been shown to engage in group decision-making processes when selecting new habitats. They exhibit collective behavior, where groups of cockroaches come together to explore and choose new shelters, demonstrating a level of social cooperation that's not typically seen in many insects. Some species of cockroaches have the ability to play dead when threatened. This strategy helps them avoid predators, as they may appear unappetizing or too difficult to digest. The behavior is a survival tactic that some cockroaches use to evade capture. Cockroaches are nocturnal creatures, which means they are most active at night. This adaptation helps them avoid predators and human activity, as they forage for food and mates in the cover of darkness. Unusual evolutionary traits. Regeneration. Some species of cockroaches can regenerate lost body parts. For example, if a cockroach loses a leg, it can grow back a new one over time. This regenerative ability is not unique to cockroaches, but it's still impressive when compared to the regenerative abilities of other creatures. Multiple ways to breathe. Cockroaches breathe through a system of air tubes called trachea, which deliver oxygen directly to their tissues. This allows them to breathe even when submerged in water for short periods. In fact, they can hold their breath for about 40 minutes, giving them a level of resilience that allows them to survive in environments that would be dangerous for other animals. Cultural and ecological role. Decomposers in ecosystems. Cockroaches play an important role in ecosystems as decomposers. They help break down organic matter like dead plants and animals, recycling nutrients back into the soil. This ecological role helps maintain healthy ecosystems, especially in tropical regions where their populations are more abundant. Cultural significance. While often vilified in popular culture, cockroaches are also subjects of study in scientific research and are used as models in studies related to robotics, neurology, and behavioral science. Their rapid movement, sensory systems, and ability to survive in harsh environments have inspired innovations in robotics and bioengineering. Cockroach superpowers in popular culture. Myth of invincibility. While no animal is truly invincible, the myth that cockroaches could survive a nuclear war has been widely circulated, adding to their mystique. In truth, they wouldn't survive direct exposure to a nuclear blast, but they could endure levels of radiation far higher than humans or other animals could tolerate. In spite of their negative reputation as pests, cockroaches are extraordinary creatures with a variety of amazing traits that contribute to their survival and ecological success. Their evolutionary adaptability, incredible resilience, and unique behaviors make them a subject of scientific interest and admiration. So next time you see a cockroach scurry by, you might just want to appreciate how well adapted these little survivors are, even if you'd prefer they not live in your home.